Today we have the possibility to talk to Jürgen Kiefer, product owner of the FS290. Nice to have you here. What exactly is the product about?
The SITRANS FS290 is a clamp-on test kit for quick verifying the measurement of installed meters or to take control measurements at specific points.
Sounds good. What are the main benefits?
Portable clamp-on ultrasonic sensor can be installed quickly and easily on the outside of a pipe without any process interruption or planned downtime. The IP67 protection and the 24-hour battery performance enable the use of the FS290 in the field and in harsh environments. The installation measuring and diagnostic data of 10 different measuring points can be stored in the exchangeable 4 GB SD card in the SITRANS FS290 without opening the lid.
Okay, and what makes it so unique?
Processor control transmitter reduced transmitter measuring errors below 0.15% and provides a measuring accuracy of only 1%. The patented anomaly tool corrects measurement errors caused by a flow profile, disturbance from elbows, special blends or from a pump, and enables installation with a short inlet or outlet conditions. The SITRANS FS290 works with long-life rechargeable battery, which can be relaxed easily exchanged during operation without external power supply.
And in what industries is the product used?
SITRANS FS290 is often used for temporary monitoring in the areas of water supply and wastewater disposal. This makes it possible to monitor cooling and hot water reference quantities and leaks. A typical example is monitoring and testing fire prevention systems and other emergency facilities.